And Judge Still has always been a tremendous example to all of us, always willing to share advice, encouragement, very direct at all times, which I think we all appreciate because we need that at times in terms of that direct advice, including advice as many of us have been out on the campaign trail at one time or the other. She truly was a mother hen out on the campaign trail. Anyone who was out campaigning knows this. She hated my ducks when I was out campaigning. I think she grew to love them by the end, but it was such an advantage having her out there, telling you where to go, where you should be. Always great in that regard, and always great being able to serve with her on the bench. And the advice again that she would provide us. So we do have a proclamation and some gifts and plaques, and I did want to read the proclamation, and I appreciate we've had some contributions. I'm not going to say specifically who provided those contributions, but I want to read the proclamation that's been signed by the Family Division Bench, and I think we're going to have an additional proclamation signed by the entire District Court.
We're still working on that.
Whereas the Honorable Cynthia Diane Still has faithfully served in the 8th Judicial District Court, Clark County, Nevada Family Division for 22 years.
Yeah.
Whereas Judge Still worked tirelessly for the betterment of the court, including time in which she presided over juvenile delinquency, and we've got the years spelled out, abuse and neglect, guardianship, and civil domestic dockets, and dedicated her faithful service on the Supreme Court's Blue Ribbon Commission on Guardianships. Whereas Judge Still faithfully served as the presiding judge in the Family Division from 2000 to 2002. Got those years correct, right? The president of the 8th Judicial District Court Pro Bono Foundation from 1998 to 2003, and served on the following organizations: Vice President of the Nevada District Judges Association, the Clark County Bench Bar Committee, the Nevada State Bar Family Section Executive Council, the Board of Trustees, Clark County Law Library, and the Family Court Legislative Representative. Whereas Judge Still's dedication to the Family Division was further exemplified by her service on the following committees: Legislative Committee, Mentor Committee, Court Technology Committee, EDCR Rule Committee, 2003 and 2013, Courtroom Committee, Supreme Court Domestic Violence Task Force, Southern Nevada Domestic Violence Court Committee, DFS Policy and Fiscal Affairs Board Committee, Court Clerk Internet Committee, District Court Strategic Planning Committee, District Court Implementation Team, Juvenile Justice Commission Work Study Group, Judicial Council of Southern Nevada, and Judicial Domestic Violence Committee. And we may have missed one or two. Whereas Judge Still was instrumental in the creation of several programs that have benefited the court and, more importantly, the community, such as the Donna's House Visitation Exchange Program, the Judicial Studies Program, the Self-Help Center Project, the Youth Eagle Leadership Project, and the Jury Services CASA Recruitment Program. Whereas prior to her service on the bench, Judge Still served as a Nevada State Assemblywoman in 1995, where she promoted the One Family, One Judge project that has had a lasting impact on the Family Division case management system, reducing confusion and inconsistencies. Judge Still's public service also included serving as the Chief of Staff in the Lieutenant Governor's Office in 1996. Whereas Judge Still was a legendary campaigner who served as a mother hen on the campaign trail for many of us, as I indicated before, providing timely and helpful guidance and direction at each campaign stop along the way. Whereas, had her love of the law not caused her to dedicate her time and attention to the people of Clark County, Nevada, her love of the theater would have ensured a Tony Award. At the very least, she would have shared her dramatic talents in community theater, perhaps as Lady Macbeth. All is not wasted. The litigants of Clark County were blessed with her dramatic flair, only somewhat subdued by the decorum required by the Black Robe. Whereas Judge Still led the Green Initiative and single-handedly saved millions of trees by discouraging attorneys and litigants from attaching exhibits to their motions.
You guys thought I was a conservative.
And whereas Judge Steele's gardening skills are world-renowned, and her Meyer lemons were instrumental in increasing the world's supply of lemon salad.
Okay.
Therefore, we, the judiciary of the 8th Judicial District Court Family Division, recognize the accomplishments and significant contributions of the Honorable Cynthia Diane Steele. She has been an asset to the 8th Judicial District Court. Her contributions have had a significant and enduring impact on many. Even though we at the 8th Judicial District Court will miss Judge Steele, her legacy will live on, and we hope to see her soon. Congratulations, we're going to miss you. It's been great.